We're here with the angel of death, reading her book. Such an angelic creature. Yes, she is. Look at her in her natural habitat. And to the left, to the right, I mean, we got Stanley and his balls. Look at the size of them. The majestic creatures. Dare you to get loud with me today. Crikey, I think we have someone around here. His name is Cheeto, because he's spotted like a cheetah, but in black and white.
Cheeto, Cheeto.
Cheetos.
Where'd you go? Cheeto, Cheeto, Cheeto.
Yes. He's around here somewhere.
Cheeto.
There he is. I spotted him.
There you are. You seem cool?
There he is. Look at him. The beast. He's such an animal. Look at them. There he is, ladies and gentlemen, it's Cheeto. Yes. This is a one and a kind only right here. The God is, oh my sure, isn't it so amazing? He's a creature of love. But in the time, he's a killer. Only certain times. Okay. Now, let me put the cigarette out, and I'm going to show you the real animal of the day. This one, he is related to the hippopotamus and the platypus. There's like a mixture of both. There it is. The half man, half a platypus, half hippo. We got them. We got it on film. Alright, quick before it gets up.